Welcome, seekers of transformation and enlightenment. Today, we embark on a profound journey that will unlock the secrets to optimal living through intuition, simplicity, and effortlessly transcending time and space. Get ready to explore the unconventional wisdom of Wu Wei, delve into the power of Mushin and the Tao, and witness the incredible benefits that await us. Have you ever wondered what it takes to unlock a life of true fulfillment and ease? Well, you're about to find out. In this captivating video, we will dive deep into the realms of intuition and less complexity, peeling back the layers and uncovering a path that leads to optimal living. Prepare to be amazed by the unconventional benefits of Wu Wei, an ancient Chinese concept that invites us to embrace the art of non-action. We will uncover how relinquishing control and surrendering to the flow of life can bring forth harmony, serenity, and a profound sense of alignment with the universe. And that's not all. We'll also dive into the realm of Mushin and the Tao, exploring the power of releasing control for effortless action. Through these timeless philosophies, we will learn how to cultivate a state of mind where our actions transcend our conscious thought, allowing us to tap into a higher level of performance and creativity. Now, before we dive into this transformative knowledge, I want to ask for your support. If you find the insights shared in this video valuable, if you're ready to unlock your full potential and manifest a life of abundance, transformation, and joy, then please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll ensure you never miss out on future transformative videos that delve deep into the mysteries of manifestation and personal growth. Together, we can create a community of like-minded individuals dedicated to unlocking their limitless potential and living their best lives. So, my friends, are you ready to embark on this awe-inspiring journey? Buckle up and get ready to be amazed as we unravel the secrets of optimal living, effortlessly transcending time and space, and embrace the transformative power of intuition and simplicity. When we talk about transcending time and space for optimal living, we are referring to a state of being where we are fully present in the moment, free from unnecessary distractions, and able to focus our energy on what truly matters. It involves letting go of non-essential tasks, obligations, and distractions that consume our time and prevent us from living our best lives. One example of transcending time and space is the concept of minimalism. By adopting a minimalist lifestyle, we intentionally remove clutter and excess from our lives, both physically and mentally, so that we can focus on what truly brings us joy and fulfillment. This includes decluttering our physical spaces, simplifying our routines, and eliminating unnecessary commitments. By doing so, we free up time and mental space to pursue activities that align with our values and passions, leading to a more meaningful and fulfilling life. The perception of time can vary from person to person depending on their individual circumstances, mindset, and priorities. What may feel like an eternity to one person might pass in the blink of an eye for another. This variation occurs because time is subjective and influenced by factors such as emotions, attention, and engagement in activities. For example, imagine attending an inspiring concert by your favorite artist. As you immerse yourself in the music, hours can fly by in what feels like mere minutes, highlighting the relative nature of time. On the other hand, sitting in a boring meeting can make minutes feel like hours, emphasizing how our perception of time can be influenced by our level of engagement and interest in a particular activity. Our intuition, often described as a gut feeling or a subtle inner voice, holds valuable wisdom and guidance that can help us make better decisions and navigate through life's challenges. When we listen to our intuition, we tap into our inner compass and align ourselves with what feels authentic and right for us. So friends, intuition, our inner guide, plays a vital role in navigating difficult tasks or situations with limited resources. When we trust our intuition, we tap into a higher wisdom that goes beyond rational thinking. It is the whisper that guides us towards the most aligned and harmonious actions. By allowing our intuition to take the lead, we can navigate through challenges effortlessly, finding creative solutions and seeing beyond the limitations of time and space. For example, imagine you are presented with a job opportunity that looks great on paper, with excellent benefits and a promising salary. However, something feels off when you think about accepting the offer. By listening to your intuition, you may realize that the job doesn't align with your values or provide the fulfillment and happiness you seek. We must first become aware of the unhelpful beliefs we hold around time and space. Often, we view them as rigid and limited, creating a sense of constraint in our lives. But the truth is, time and space are much more fluid than we perceive them to be. By becoming aware of these limiting beliefs and releasing our identification with them, we open ourselves up to new possibilities and the potential for transcending these constraints. And it is through the alignment with intuition that everything can flow organically. When we release resistance and let go of attachment to outcomes, the universe conspires in our favor, helping us achieve our goals in a harmonious way. As Steve Jobs said, "Follow your heart and intuition, for they will lead you to where your true path lies." Everything else is secondary. Now, while we've only scratched the surface of transcending time and space, there are other fascinating practices worth exploring. Lucid dreaming, astral projection, and remote viewing are examples of techniques that allow us to transcend the limitations of our physical bodies and explore different realms beyond ordinary time and space. Let's talk about other techniques now. In Wu Wei, we enter a state of flow where it doesn't feel like we are actively doing anything, yet tasks and actions effortlessly unfold in perfect harmony with the natural rhythm of life. It is within this state that we tap into a profound sense of ease and alignment, and we truly embody the essence of Wu Wei. One of the incredible benefits of Wu Wei is its ability to purify the mind. By releasing identification with force-based or control-based beliefs, we free ourselves from the burdens of self-imposed limitations. This release can be therapeutic and healing for physical, mental, and emotional suffering caused by these beliefs. Wu Wei becomes a path to liberation and true freedom. It is in the state of flow or Wu Wei that we transcend time and space. In these moments, heightened clarity emerges, and we become fully present without bias or attachment. Everything flows naturally, and tasks effortlessly happen faster and easier than we could ever expect. Upon reflection, we realize that time and space were transcended, and events unfolded with remarkable efficiency. When we allow our true selves to come forth, something remarkable happens. The need for force and control diminishes, and we enter a state of effortless action. As we align with our authenticity, our actions flow naturally, unencumbered by the constraints of external expectations or self-imposed limitations. Transcending time and space becomes possible when we avoid unnecessary steps and thoughts. The restless mind, burdened by overthinking and analysis, inhibits our connection with the present moment. By releasing the need for unnecessary complexity, we find inner harmony with the Tao, and the boundaries of time and space begin to blur. Mushin, also known as mindlessness, stands as a shining example of effortless skill. In this state, our actions flow gracefully, unfettered by conscious thought processes. By releasing ourselves from the shackles of overthinking, we tap into a profound state of presence and become conduits for the intuitive flow of life. And there you have it, my friends, a journey through the realms of unlocking optimal living, effortlessly transcending time and space. and embracing the unconventional wisdom of Wu Wei and Mushin. I hope this video has inspired you to tap into the depths of your intuition and release the unnecessary complexity that holds you back from living your fullest potential. Thanks for watching this video till the end. God bless.